to acknowledge the local traditional owners, the Wurundjeri people, and whose land the main office of VALS sits. I also acknowledge traditional owners of the lands on which we operate throughout the state. I'd like to acknowledge their elders, past and present, their emerging leaders, and in finishing, I'd like to acknowledge the stolen generations and welcome them back home when they come. Yeah, Wirraway was chosen because it's a Wurundjeri word that means challenge, and that's what we're doing. We're challenging establishment and the laws that they operate by to remove and divide our community.
When our community justice teams engage with our lawyers and the other legal areas within our organisation, and particularly Wirraway, we're not just offering the legal aspect, but our community justice programs offers that community support and that cultural support as well. So attending with lawyers and families and sitting down and discussing what some of the processes are going to be, breaking down some of the barriers, being able to answer in a really simplistic way what some of the issues that they're going to face, and being able to share some of our own personal experiences with that family. But essentially what that does is our engagement actually as community members also builds up trust.
We're very fortunate to bring together a group of extremely talented individuals who have experience in a wide range of legal disciplines, including criminal law and advocacy, civil litigation, coronial inquests, experience in community legal centres, experience dealing with community and a range of other disciplines.
Wirraway looks at the legislations around justice and how justice is served to our people. If there is any miscarriage of that justice and if the legislation is deemed to be inappropriate, then it's the Wirraway program that goes to bat for change.
I think that's one of the great strengths of this practice, is that it does have that diversity of approaches, but at the same time it has a relatively singular focus, which is really on this particular problem of the way police and custodial authorities treat Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander persons in the state.
So the Wirraway team provides a voice within the justice system, within a coroner's court, for our matters to be highlighted.
Wirraway is basically funded through donations from community, not just Aboriginal community, but broader community. Basically, the larger part of the funds came through after the campaigns around Black Lives Matter. If you go to the VALS webpage, you can donate there.
Equality, well, everyone's equal, aren't we? Well, no, we don't, and when you don't have it. And so through the work of Wirraway, hopefully that will actually bring about some of our voices and some of the issues in a much higher sort of level and make some significant changes.